Hello, and Llongyfarchiadau, or congratulations, as we say in these neck of the woods. I'm glad your presentation was a hit. Your Croeso, by the way, you're welcome. So I thought I'd send this little response before going on with the rest of the lessons to your video, really. And the first time I watched it with real life David, my dad. I had to explain what I was doing and why you were talking Welsh and things. And well, let's just say my dad is like the Simon Cowell of Welsh teaching. But no, he was quite impressed how close you were, really. All of you were sort of quite close in pronunciations. Arian Wyn, spot on. David, well, he was a bit more critical about how his own name's pronounced, but David, spot on. You know, that was quite good. So yeah, so well done. I also want to hear, you know, what marks you get for it or whatever, or how that works. You've actually given me an idea for the next lesson. I'm carrying on with them because people have signed up to subscribe and things. So yeah, if any of you other people are watching this, send in your videos. I want to see them. And anyways, you're going to see how those words you're trying to pronounce should be pronounced in the sort of next lesson, which will be uploaded right after this one. So anyway, yeah, so Llongyfarchiadau with Cymraeg and Ardderchog. Congratulations, your Welsh was brilliant. Spot on. Oh, and yeah, you probably noticed I cut the hair. I had to, it's just doing my head in. But your beard is fine, so don't change your beard for anything, okay? Anyways, until next time, hwyl fawr.